Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Biswa from InCred Equities. Nifty continued trade under pressure in the range. While we witnessed around 200 points downside yesterday in Nifty, it is still sustaining about 24,500 quite comfortably, and a close below 24,500 can result in a further fall towards 24,200. Right now, Nifty is still stuck in the range. Bank Nifty, unfortunately, it did witness a very strong breakout a couple of days back, but because of pressure in Nifty, even Bank Nifty was pulled lower and it is now back towards 55,900 in terms of futures. The setup between the two remains positive for the Bank Nifty, and a close above 56,150 in the futures is likely to push the index 2,500 points higher. So the setup is very simple. I would avoid trading Nifty for Bank Nifty. 200 points upside is what one can wait for and then build fresh long positions. Overall, if you see US markets yesterday also closed on a positive note. Day before also they were positive, but we could not translate that upside into our market. So let us see how Nifty pans out. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 50 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flat to mild positive note. How we open matters less as compared to how we progress as the time passes during the day, and whether we sustain the levels or not. Intraday move above 24,650 in the spot side can result in some short covering in Nifty futures. And as I said, that will also give a push to Bank Nifty. So once Bank Nifty gains momentum, it will do its work. It will pull the Nifty higher. But what it needs is the initial push from the inertia. FI yesterday sold around 2,900 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 5,900 crores worth in cash. So some pressure has been seen by the FI selling as well. It's been 2 3 days. There were multiple deals happening in the last few occasions, but yesterday I don't envisage. I don't remember any deal that have happened. So maybe it's a pure sell number by FIs. It's just 1 or 2 days right now. Let us see if we are seeing consistent pressure on that side or not. Eventually, even your dollar index, it's trading around 99. Once that breaks, I think that is going to give a strong push to equity markets. There's nothing wrong with the Asian indices. If you look at the Asian indices as well, they have been positive. If you look at the US indices, they have been positive. It is only India that is witnessing some amount of pressure sort of building up. And what is perplexing is there's no particular reason as such. While we may always say that Nifty is stuck in the range, what I'm trying to tell you is that the time correction is getting prolonged. And that is a good sign that from here on you see a range breakout. It gives you a good chance to create longs, and the push can be very strong. So if Nifty gives a couple of days close about 25,000, a smooth ride and a swift ride till 26,000 is what one can expect in the current month itself. So let us hope if that happens or not, and it will be aided by Bank Nifty as well. So I've recommended the levels for both of the indices. One can work on that. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.